How to turn on Meta AI on Instagram. Now, what happened on my end is I just recently updated to its latest version, my Instagram application, and it was automatically turned on. Now, if this does not happen in your case, all I have to do first, the very basic troubleshooting, is to check if your Instagram is updated to the latest version. So you go to your Play Store and then look for Instagram. Now from here, you'll be able to know if your Instagram needs an updating because there will be an option that says here update, just like mine. So all I have to do is just to run the update and then your app will automatically install Meta AI or Meta bot to the specific application itself. Now once you've done updating, all you have to do is access your Instagram application. Now go to your messages, like beside the heart icon right here. Now tap on any friends that you wanted to message. Does not matter actually. So all you have to do to summon the Meta AI bot is just simply type in at Meta AI. From here, just tap on the Meta AI ask questions. Now this is actually turned on. So that's how you can turn on your Meta AI on Instagram app.